Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all will be fine and safe. Okay, today in my today's lecture, I will explain you about rational numbers. Okay, so rational numbers. In first of all, you must know about what is rational number. So, a number which can be written in form of P over Q, right? A number which can be written in form of P over Q mean which can be written in form of fraction, where P is numerator and Q is denominator. And you must know that where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Okay, so rational number mean a number which can be written in form of P over Q. P over Q. P over Q mean P is numerator and Q is denominator. And P and Q are integers, and one condition you should remember that Q will never equal to 0. Because if Q is equal to 0, our whole fraction will become undefined. So denominator should never be equal to 0. It is clear? So what is rational number? A number which can be written in form of P over Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Today I will tell you about different operations on rational number, and in today's video I will tell you about addition and subtraction of negative fractions. Mean there will be a negative sign with fraction, and there will also be the mixed numbers. Mean addition and subtraction of negative fractions and mixed number. So I have a question that is in form of mixed number. You all know about mixed number. Mixed number basically where one is whole part and the other is fractional part. 6 whole 1 by 5. This is a mixed number because in this part 6 is a whole number and 1 by 5 is a fractional part. So mixed number mean where whole number and fractional part will be together. So I am going to add these two fractions. You can see the sign of addition over here. So in first step, you will change this mixed number in form of fraction. And you all know that how we change it. We simply multiply this denominator with this whole part. 5 6 times 30 and 30, and then we add this one in that product. That will become 31. 31 by 5. 5 6 times 30. 30 plus 1, 31. It will become 31 by 5. Now plus minus, minus. 10 2 times 20. 10 2 times 20, and then add this 3 into 20. 20 plus 3, 23. This is 23 by 10. It is clear? Mean first I will change my mixed number in form of fraction, right? I have changed the mixed number in form of fraction. In my next step, I will make the denominator same. I will convert this fraction into like fractions. और like fractions क्या होता है? जहाँ पर denominators same होते हैं. So in order to convert these improper fractions into like fractions, definitely I have to do some operation. You can see that here denominator is 5 and here 10. I will change 5 into 10, क्योंकि 5 को 10 में कन्वर्ट करना ईजी है एज़ कम्पेयर टू 10 इंटू 5. 10 को 5 में चेंज करना थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है, आउट ऑफ वे हो जाता है. बट यू नो दैट if I multiply 5 with 2, 5 2s are 10. If I multiply 5 with 2, this 5 will convert into 10. So denominator will become same. So you have to remember that whenever we multiply with some number, that number will multiplied with numerator as well as denominator. जिस भी नंबर से आपने मल्टीप्लाई करना है उससे सिर्फ आपने डिनोमिनेटर को नहीं करना बल्कि न्यूमरेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है. It is clear? So now I am going to make the fraction same, and to make them same I will multiply 31 into 2 over 5 into 2. हमने 2 से क्यों मल्टीप्लाई किए? क्योंकि यहाँ पर 10 था और हमने इसको 10 बनाने के लिए 5 को हमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना था, और जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो सिर्फ हम डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करते बल्कि उसके साथ न्यूमिरेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो नाउ दिस इज -23/10. 31 and 2. 31 multiplied by 2. 2 1 time 2, 2 3 times 6. This is 62, and 5 2 time 10 minus 23/10. Now you can see that our fractions have become same. Both fractions have denominator 10. So now I will simply subtract them. 10 is in the denominator and numerator are being subtracted. 62 minus 23, right? So 62 minus 23, it will become 39. When you will subtract 23 from 62, you will get 39/10, right? Now you can see this is an improper fraction. Improper fraction mean where numerator is larger than denominator. So in order to write it in form of mixed number, you will divide it. 39/10. 10 3 times 30. Remainder is 9. Right? So how you know this is your quotient? This is your quotient. This is your remainder, and 10 is your divisor. How you will write it in form of mixed number? Always quotient will be written first. 3. Quotient is 3. Then remainder will be written on the numerator. 3 whole 9 by divisor will be written at the bottom, at the denominator. 3 whole 9 by 10. Quotient, remainder over divisor. Is it clear? So this will be your answer here. Okay, in my next question, you can see I have another question where you can see improper fractions. -7/4 minus minus, two signs, two same signs are being multiplied. Minus minus plus, minus minus plus, and 5/6. Now plus minus minus. This is a mixed number, so you will change it in form of fraction. How? 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. This is 4/3. Is it clear? Mean -7/4, then minus minus plus. You will put plus here, then plus minus minus. 3 ones are 3. 3 and 1, 4. This is 4/3. Okay, I have changed the mixed number into fraction, and my next step is to make the denominator same. I need to make the denominator same. कि मुझे सबसे पहले denominator same बनाने हैं. How can I make them same? To make them same, I have to multiply with some number. Okay, so you can see that 4, 6 and 3. I need a number कि जिससे मैं multiply करूँ तो ये सारे denominator same हो जाएं. Then you can see that 4 3 times 12, 6 2 times 12, 3 4 times 12. मतलब कोई एक ऐसा कॉमन नंबर जो तीनों के टेबल पे आता हो. You know that 12 is a number. 4 where 4 is a factor of 12, 6 is a factor of 12, and 3 is a factor of 12. 4. So it's mean कि इनको 12 बनाने के लिए I need to multiply 4 with 3, 6 with 2, and 3 with 4. But you have to multiply that number with denominator as well as numerator. So to make them 12, minus 7 4 3 time 12 na? So minus 7 into 3. 3 will multiply with denominator and numerator as well. Then 5 by 6. 6 2 time 12, 5 into 2 and 6 into 2. Minus 4 3 time 3 4 time 12, you know, 3 4 time 12. So 4 into 4. उस 4 के साथ आपने डिनोमिनेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया और न्यूमिनेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. इट इज़ क्लियर. तो यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक एलसीएम. एक और भी वे होता है कि अगर आप डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नहीं बनाना चाह रहे तो आप 4 6 और 3 का आप क्या कर सकते हैं, यू कैन टेक एलसीएम, राइट. Okay, now minus 7 3 time minus 21. 7 3s are 21, 4 3s are 12, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Then minus 4 4 times 16, 3 4 times 12. Now you can see that all denominators are same. Now it is easy. Your denominator is 12 12 12. You will write 12 at the denominator and their numerator minus 21 plus 12 minus 16. Is it clear? Now minus 21 plus 10. Yes, this is minus 11, right? And minus 21 plus 10, this is minus 11 because larger value have negative sign. And the next is minus 16. Minus 11 minus 16 by 12. Okay, now minus minus, whenever you have two negative signs, two same signs, you should add them. This is minus 27. Both number will be added and sign will come negative. Minus 11 minus 16, minus minus plus, you will do addition, but the answer will come with larger sign, that is minus. So minus 27 by 12. Okay, now you can reduce it into its lowest term. On which table 27 and 12 can be cut? On table of 3, right? 3 is how many time 27? 3 is 9 time. Minus 9 and 3 is how many time 12? 3 9 time 27 and 3 is how many time 12? 3 4 time 12. This is an improper fraction and you know how can I write it in form of mixed number. 9 by 4, 9. Numerator will be kept inside and denominator will be outside. Then 4 2 time 8. 9 minus 8, that is 1. So quotient, remainder and divisor. 2 whole 1 by 4. This minus sign will come here. That is 2 whole 1 by 4. This is your answer.